Halal recipe imeletwa kwako na unga wa dola. Unga wa dola, kitu shwari.
Assalamu alaikum, welcome to another episode of Halal Recipe. I'm your chef Africa Did, and today we'll be making chicken pie. That's our recipe. And also for today, our ingredients are onions, carrots, sweet corn, capsicum, and then we also have the ingredients for the dough, which is yeast, sugar, salt, and flour, and water, and water. And now let's begin. So first of all, I have flour. Then you're going to add yeast. Okay. Then you're going to add salt. Sugar. Then salt. Okay. Mix this first. Then bring in water, warm water. So make a hole in between. I'll add water little by little. Make sure your water is warm, lukewarm, not very hot, just lukewarm. Okay, so I started with this first because you need to give it some time to rest. So that's why I started first with it. So we're just going to knead it till we get a soft dough. Okay, add more water. Keep adding water till you find your dough is good enough, soft. And also I forgot to put oil, which you can, that's why you can see. Actually didn't forget, I did it on purpose so you guys can see how hard the dough is when you don't put oil. So I'm going to mix in oil, just a bit. Okay. Don't forget to put oil because your dough will become very hard, as you can see. Now when you put oil, it makes the dough very soft. Okay. So now as you can see the difference. So make sure you knead your dough very well so it could be soft. Okay. Then just make a ball and let it rest. Our dough is ready, so now I'm just going to remove it out. Remember to put flour. It's a bit sticky. Okay, then we're going to knead it for a bit. Going to add flour and then knead it for a bit so it stops being sticky. Okay. Then add more on your surface to avoid it sticky. Okay. So now I'm going to roll it. There are different ways of making. You can make small balls then roll out, but I think I'll just use the cutter and let's see what size it will come out. After cutting like this, I'll roll it out. Okay, you can cut one more. So I'm just going to roll it, make it ready for the chicken. because we've not yet even gone there. So I'll just roll it and I'll place it aside. I'll do the same for the others. If you see your size of the round shape is a bit small, you can always add more dough to it. Okay, and there are also different shapes of making pie. I'll try to show you a few. Okay, so now we go to the chicken. Add in oil, just a bit, not much. Give it a few minutes, then add in your chicken. Add garlic. Add salt. You can add in any spices you like. Okay, give it a few minutes to cook. The chicken water has dried. Now I'm going to add in ketchup, brown sugar. We'll add in carrots. Carrots, sweet corn. Onions, capsicum. Looks very delicious. You can add more vegetables if you want. So now let me show you, as we wait for that to cook just for a bit, I can just take a small bowl. Okay. It's a bit of too much flour. So you just make a round circle like this. You're greasing your pan, or you can put greaseproof paper. Okay, take a spoon, place it here, and take it and fold it. Make sure you seal the sides. Then take a fork and do that. Okay. And you can poke it like that. So that one's big. Since this is small, just take a spoon or then just cover it. And then what you do is do the same thing, and then just use a fork. Then now we also need to egg wash on top, just so you have a good shine. So you see what I mean? You can make any design. So now we'll egg wash. Let me get an egg. First of all, beat the egg. You can make small ones, different shapes. I can make a small one just to show you guys. Okay. When we come back from the break, I'll show you how it looks finally. So let's get this baked. I've taken the chicken pie into the oven, so now we'll give it a few minutes, maybe 10 to 20 minutes or even less. Our chicken pie is ready now. I'm just going to go to the oven and bring it out and show you how it looks like. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Have that one. Okay, so we have the different shapes. I'll just plate all three. So that's how it looks. Make sure you don't put a lot of flour. As you can see, I also have flour here. Don't put a lot. That's how it looks. And it's also very simple, very easy. If you have any questions, you can always ask me. And I had said I'll cut and show you how it looks inside. Let me just cut it over here. Okay. So the inside looks like that. I'll just put it here. So that's how inside looks like. As you can see, it's cooked. The dough is cooked, the vegetables are cooked, everything is cooked. That means it's ready and you can now feast on it. So very simple to make chicken or meat pie. The same recipe, different fillings if you want to. And please don't forget to give my channel a thumbs up, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.
Halal recipe imeletwa kwako na unga wa dola. Unga wa dola, kitu shwari.